Mandayao Falls. This is the way going inside. It's so slippery. The volcano there. And we're gonna go inside. We are on the way in the falls now. This side it's 200 steps that we need to walk. So I just take my time. So you can see, just me and my friend only. This Mandayao Falls is located in Castellana, Negros, Oriental. So the entrance fee is just 30 pesos. Not bad for here in the Philippines. As you can see, guys, look at the view. It's so greeny, and you can see the volcano also here. It's been covering now with the clouds, the volcano. Picture.
It's okay, I'm not wearing.
I not to wear face mask because it's not a lot of people, just only me and my friend here. Pa-picture tato dito. So guys, we're still walking, going to the falls, and maybe we just, how many steps we've been walking? 200 steps, but we've been like 20 steps. We still have 180 more steps to walk down. It's not really bad because of
Just exercise.
the steps. It's not really close to each other. This is good for exercise. Kaya siya anite, layo na niya kuan. Okay ra niya paubos pero patangas bisod. My husband cannot walk this very far, especially on these steps. It'd be hard for his back. That's why he's not able to come here today. Especially that today it's been raining and it's a little bit wet. You need to be careful walking because it's so wet. It's slippery. So guys, look at the view. Wow, that's so nice. So greeny. Lots of green trees and plants. So I can hear now the water from the falls. So we are halfway there in the falls, still walking down. I can hear the sounds from the birds. It's nice to come here early in the morning because it's not so hot. It's nice also to bring your family over here to have some bonding, and you can go swimming there in the falls. As you can see, guys, it's so peaceful here, as you can hear only the sounds from the birds. Very peaceful. And also the sounds from the waterfalls. It's nice to bring your family here to get together and have an enjoyable time together with your family. Because the entrance fee is not so bad because it's only 30 pesos. Wow, that's so nice. You have some big river here. Wow, There's the pools there. You can see. Pwede bro ka makaadto dito tino? Look at that guys. It's not so look at that pools guys. It's so nice. Wow. The water is so clear. So you can see they have a lot of people there swimming. It's nice to bring my family here. Nice diri tino. Kay kuan ba?
Yeah, dili siya yung mas kulang ko sa kuan.
And the falls also is not very high. This is more safe. You can see. Worth it man ang kuan, walking. No, wala. It's not really far from the highway, and maybe we walk around 10 minutes. Around 10 minutes. We've been walking 10 minutes from here. It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Hindi siya pareha sa inland na magpasan ka.
Dili kayo. Kaya kuan po siya tinapoy mga trees ba. When you want to visit her, it's not really tiring because of the trees that can shades. You have a lot of shades while you're walking, and it's not really bad. Especially in the hot weather, it's not really hot because of the trees that surrounded. So, ato tate, padool ka. So we're gonna walk closer to the falls. Kutsura niya tika diha, ini balik. Kutsura tika. My friend gonna do some selfie first. So we're gonna walk closer to the falls. Nice, Kaitino. It's very nice. I would love to go swimming. You can see guys, it's not so deep. The water is not so deep. Wow, that's so nice. It's refreshing guys, the water. I really want to go swimming, but I don't bring any clothes. I don't bring any extra clothes. Maybe next time we're gonna come back here and I bring my family and we're gonna go swimming here. Yun, balik ka rin, no?
Yes, malisod siya ba?
Balik ka pag-irin. Puhon, balik ko. Birthday po. Ano ka po? Puhon. O, kung okay ang panahon ba?
Okay ang panahon. Karon kay kuan ko dako ang may season.
Sure, dili man siya atin nga kuan.
Oh, dili.
Wow. Wow, very nice. The kids and the people, they're enjoying the water. Tapos sila po ando kung tubig yun. Tubig yun na.
Oh, tubod. Pero ka diyan inom. Hindi na kaysa.
It's very clean because the water is very clean because it came from the mountains. Actually, you can drink the water. Suran kita dito. So we are going up now. we're gonna go to the other destination that we want to go. So you need to check out these falls, guys, because this is very nice, and it's not really dangerous for the kids. I am sure that if you visit in these falls, your family will enjoy and you have a wonderful time together with your family. So still have some people going to the waterfalls, some kids. Putas pataas.
Sabi na wala na po exercise dahil. Wala ko walking office.
It's a little bit tired going up. We still take our time. I'm gonna rest for a little bit.
Saan siya fruits doon?
Buka ko mura siya kuan orange. Ay ka orange ka ng
Lanzones?
lansones. Di man siya lansones. Okay ra ka ti.
Burns ang murag 20 calories. Pero okay na kayo.
Guys, going upstairs, you've been sweating a lot because it's looks like you're climbing in the mountains. You burn your fat here. Some of your fats will gonna burn because you've been sweating a lot. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm still okay.
Still breathing. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video, and I'm gonna upload more video later. I'm gonna do some video to our next destination today, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my video to the Mandayao Falls. You're gonna check out this place, and you're gonna visit this place because it's amazing waterfalls. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.